Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Accordian Present. Yeah, that's present, not present. That makes more sense. It looks like this. Obviously, knowing how to do an accordion is going to help you a lot, and I'll put a link in the description below. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It's probably best if we do it from this side. Starts just like a normal accordion to begin with. So right to right, semicircle back, offering the left, palm towards the lady, thumb down, guys. Lady shouldn't be able to reach it yet. We're going to actually come in to collect the hand, take the right up to the right, the left goes over the lady's head and down. So the guys are heading left, ladies are heading right, and that's our first piece of an accordion. We now send the lady out to the left, and normally we would have headed across a long way, guys, but in actuality on this occasion we're going to have stayed much more in line, so we brought the lady more towards us. So now we're going to leave the left hand behind, draw forwards and through with the right to get the lady to full stretch if we have the wingspan for it, yeah? Otherwise it'll be the guy at full stretch, whichever works. So we've got this nice presented position, and all we're going to do, guys, let go with the left, keep heading left, pull with the right to get the spin, and catch, return and back. There are lots of other things you can do with it. This is just the basic. So let's think about numbers. We go offer on 1, round on 2, look on 3, round on 4, away preparation on 5, present on 6. So nice little pause there if you can get there nice and quick. Then it's spin 7, catching 8, return 1 and back 2. Let's see if we can do it together. 5, a 6, an accordion present. We go offer, return, look, turn, get ready, present, spin, catch, return and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Much appreciated anyone who does that, because it helps promote the channel, so please do that. And also it means you'll get a notification every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.